to my channel and welcome to my channel for those of you guys who may be new. My name is XCultureSims. Today I'm going to be customizing my Nintendo Switch. Now I did post on social media, I think it was about 3.5 weeks ago that I got my Nintendo Switch, and I bought a couple of games. I got Animal Crossing New Horizons, no surprise there, and I got Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. That is actually for my boyfriend, but I've actually watched him play it and it's pretty good. So I am actually obsessed with Sims and Animal Crossing, and I play Pocket Camp. So if you guys are Pocket Camp users, definitely leave me your code down below and I can add you. And if you guys are New Horizons users, then my friend code is right here and you guys can add me as a friend on that. But I'm going to be customizing my Nintendo Switch to look more like Animal Crossing. I really wanted the Animal Crossing Nintendo Switch, but because the Switch is so hard to get your hands on right now, I kind of had to opt out and just get a Switch and then customize it myself, which was no big deal. I'd rather be able to get a Switch and play my game and customize it to my liking than not be able to get a Switch at all, especially since the Nintendo Switch Animal Crossing New Horizons limited edition version is selling for around $600 on Amazon right now. And I don't know how much the price was originally for that Switch, but I can't get my hands on it. So we are going to be customizing my Nintendo Switch, and if you guys want to know how I did it, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm actually filming the intro and the outro today, and I filmed this video yesterday. So I'm going to be showing you what my Nintendo Switch looks like. I did get a hard case for the Switch and it came in today, and that's why it's not in the video of me putting the skin on. So this is just what it looks like with the hard case on it. Like, it's a very good high quality hard covering, and it covers the full front and back of the Joy-Cons, and of course I have my little buttons here. And then on the back it's a hard case for the back piece as well, and then it covers the full back of the Joy-Cons and the full back on the side as well. The only thing it doesn't protect is the stand, because the stand kicks out, but that is fine because I do have the skin on the stand, so it's not going to ruin it in any way. But this is what my Switch looks like, and I'm super duper happy for how it came out. It's super protected, but it's still really cute at the same time. I was going to get a case, like a skin that covered the front bit too, but I was like, I kind of like the front being exposed, and it's no big deal because I do have a tempered glass screen protector on here, so it's super protected and it's super adorable. To completely customize my case with the skin, the back glass part, the hard plastic case, and these little buttons, it cost me like $28 and change, I think. So that's not bad to completely customize your Switch and the dock. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure and give it a big fat thumbs up. And if you guys want more Animal Crossing videos, then let me know down below. I did buy a video capture card so that I can start doing videos on Animal Crossing. I'm thinking about doing a couple on Pocket Camp as well, just for those of you who don't have a Switch and can't play Animal Crossing New Horizons. But yeah, definitely let me know down below what you guys want to see for videos, and I cannot wait to see you all in my next one. Bye guys.